This is a good question. This is a good question. This is a good question.
This is an old turkey, man. Like almost 6 years old. As old as our farm. Green now. If you look at it now, the stem at the bottom is very thick,
Okay.
right? But the branches are not that thick.
Yes.
So that is also because when it was growing, we chopped it from there itself. Yeah, almost all of them have very thick stem. Anyway, papaya. So what we'll do is we'll get a cow over here, madam, to start with. So we'll do milking of the cow. We'll feed that cow also.
Okay.
Then after that we'll slowly walk and we'll show you what all we are growing at the farm. How are the animals taken care of? What all feed goes into the animal. Then we'll show you how do we pack the milk packets, what is the processing and what all happens there.
Sure.
So this is a mix of Desi and Jersey. So the black and white cows that you see, those are HFs and Desis. In Desis, different based on which area they come from, they are bred with that local variety. No, you sit like this, okay? It's okay. You sit like this. It's okay. I'm here. If it hits me, it'll hit me, not you, okay? Slowly. Start from the top again. Oh, super! Yay!
Just feel it on your hand. Is it warm? Is it
Put your hand and see how it is.
how's that? Warm.
Warm,
Nice,
okay.
nice. Cool. She won't
Ask your brother to help you. Hey, he's collecting so much milk.
You can also do now. You see that milk coming out? You can at least touch her. She likes it.
Nice.
Just touch her.
No, it's okay. You can leave it and do it again.
Yeah. Wow. Oh,
Nice.
nice. Very good.
व्हेरी गुड सोडायचं आणि प्रेस कर सोड पूर्ण सोड हां आणि मग पुन्हा प्रेस कर हां व्हेरी गुड
Yes, very nice.
पुन्हा प्रेस कर
Great.
अजून सोड पूर्ण सोडायचं पूर्ण सोडायचं मग ते फुल होतं हां पूर्ण सोड हां
Can I drink more? Can I drink more? Can I drink more?
Cows need protein along with just grass. Grass is more of carbohydrate, right? So cows need
Can I touch it?
protein as well. So the thing that you see, this is called ajola. We start with this much amount of seed. This is the seed. You pick up a little seed, create a new pond, and put this, and slowly start to spread the entire surface.
That has gone
Pretty simple to
inside.
grow. It doesn't need any. Whatever we do here, we don't use any chemical fertilizers. All this needs is a little bit of cow dung and some soil. That we'll mix it in water and put it, and that's all it takes. And we just take it
After
and
it will turn into reddish.
up to a kg of this.
they need every day this one or
Yeah, we try and
Nice.
do it a couple of times a
Make
week.
your
now.
hand wet.
But we are trying to grow this across the perimeter of our farm now. So we're trying to expand this around the farm.
so the more the better for the cows
Yeah, I mean, it is a cheaper and an effective protein source. You don't have to buy protein from outside. You can always
Yes.
locally grow it.
They are not actually cheetahs. Yeah. Oh, I found one leaf. Then I should do the soil lessons. Can I take the soil? Brown.
This patch, this line of this thing that we did will actually repair all of the soil here. So the solution that I got in this is something called an iodophore solution that helps vaporize any bacteria that is present in water or any bacteria that is present. So the first thing, as soon as we get the milk, the first thing that we do is every 40-liter can of milk is a reference for us, right? So every 40-liter can, we gather a sample. First do a tasting FSSAI website, all of these are published online. How to prepare a reagent to test for neutralizer, how to prepare a reagent to test for hydrogen peroxide. And so we've used those manuals. Initially we used to buy the kits from outside, but then we used to run through so much testing that it was becoming very expensive. So we created these ourselves. So this is milk added to neutralizer reagent. What is a neutralizer? Why a neutralizer? Okay, this is the first question. See, milk, when it is getting split, I'll try to say it in Telugu, in Hindi and English. So what happens is milk is becoming katta, it's becoming sour, pulupu vastundi ante. So that means the acidity of the milk is increasing with time. Bacteria is increasing, so acidity is increasing, right? So what people ingeniously decided is, if acidity is increasing, let's add a base. See, but milk is also a biological, biophysical living thing, right? If you change the characteristic of it by adding a base, I mean, it's not milk anymore, right? Milk is not just fat and solids, right? It's all that bacteria that what makes milk, right? So if you kill it, so when a neutralizer is present, right? He has kept it. We have some neutralizer we kept. This strip has bacteria that is present on it. Okay. So that's why you don't want it to grow under normal circumstances.
Only one is in.
Get fungus. Comes down. Also starting palms and this is the seed. If you plant one, right, you get so many seeds. Each one makes another plant. Isn't it amazing how nature works? You plant one, it gives so many seeds. You can plant 1,000 more.
You want one? Take one.
It's okay.
The seeds fall and we put water on the seed and
One more
One more plant.
Super, right?
What he's saying? It's a rain fed. They don't water.
We do it during rainy season. We just blow the seeds.
Like, continue to take.
Water the seeds.
you pluck the seeds from this or it automatically falls down.
It can, if you leave it for long, it will automatically fall down. As they are getting drier and drier, right? One. Oh, this is a good question. See, there are lots of birds on those trees. Birds come eat. They eat one, but they drop two. Those become the seeds for the next plant. Eat one, two fall down. Right? See, that's how pollen, all these things also work.
Something like sand, and it is full of hay which they pour to feed the cows.